Welcome to the beautiful plotted development on Yamuna Expressway. These plots are coming in 100 acres from the leading developer in Noida, which is ACE. They are coming up with one of its kind clubhouse. There will be only 350 plots. There has been always a massive interest amongst people and investors who have always aspired to own a piece of land. This beautiful frontage that you see is from Ace Acre Village. This is in sector 22A on Yamuna Expressway. What a beautiful frontage, and on your way towards the Noida International Airport, plus amazing payment plan. Project is going to be ready for delivery and possession by mid of next year. So you can get your plot and you can start building it as a holiday home, or you can move in. This location is amazing because it also connects you to Faridabad, which will only take you 15 minutes. And in 15 minutes, you will be able to reach Faridabad, and which you can further go towards Golf Course, Extension Road, GFR Road towards Gurgaon. This iconic opportunity to buy something at this price of 1,30,000 square yard, I think it's going to be like a missed opportunity. If you do not register for expression of interest, you can avail home loan. That is also available. It's a fully paid up land that ACE has got from 3Cs, and as part of their NCLT. You can see now what is on left. This is the entry gate to the project. The sales center is coming up. Allotments will happen in the month of April. It will be one big blockbuster. Concept inside this development is mind-blowing. For the first time, there will be dancing fountains, and I think it will set a new benchmark all over India, how exactly a township has to be developed. So I think my video is showcasing most of what it is. It's a corner plot, and I think there is nothing which is missing in this iconic location. So I think you should just act fast, give us your expression of interest, and we will make your dream come true. Thank you.